Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this quite rare Mazda6 2.2 diesel sport. It's got a lot of host of extras. It's also got some little individual features that have been tastefully done. As you can see, you've got the black grille on the front, park distance control. The colour is absolutely amazing. Paintwork's in lovely condition. Smoke chrome alloy wheels. Black pack all around the windows where it's usually chrome. Sun protection glass, tinted windows to the rear. As you can see, it's in absolutely lovely condition. Twin exhausts, they look a bit larger than usual, but doesn't mean make much more noise. Rear park distance control, reverse camera. Got a lovely individual spoiler here that's been added to it. Absolutely gleaming in this weather. Black all round here, it's usually chrome. Huge boot area, parcel shelf, full leather interior, been well looked after. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Bose hi-fi, electric memory seats. In lovely condition. It's done 94,652 miles. Just start it up. Starts up lovely. Got satellite navigation. Just on there. There's not a line on there, it's just a shutter speed on the camera. We've got 3-stage heated seats. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. I don't know whether that's an extra down there. You've got a mobile phone charging, which works, just charging up there. Media pack, Bluetooth. Really has been well spec'd. Really nice car. Check the reverse camera. Reverse camera works with park distance control as well. Climate control, that's all nice and cold, I can feel it. Heads up display as well. At DJH we're full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.